Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm going to explain the very short answer questions in straight line, which is the last chapter. Straight line. 2 marks questions. So in this, two marks questions are there. The first 2 marks question will be the reduction of the equation into slope-intercept form, intercept form, and normal form. These 3 concepts will be given. And another one is distance between parallel lines. And the third one is angle between the straight lines. If you practice these 3 concepts, so one definite question you will be getting for the final exam. First, I'll explain the concept, how to convert the equations into intercept form and all. First, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is a normal straight line. If question is for slope-intercept form, we have to convert the equation into y is equals to mx plus c. So here x coefficient m is called slope and c is called y-intercept. Suppose if he has to convert intercept form. So intercept form will be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here a is called x-intercept and b is called y-intercept. Next, third one is normal form. This will be in the form of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where p is called distance from origin to the line. This is the first concept. Second, distance between parallel lines. Distance between parallel lines. There are 2 parallel. Parallel lines mean they look similar, they never meet. Such kind of lines are called parallel lines. For example, the general parallel lines, how we will take? Ax plus by plus c1 is equals to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equals to 0. What do we observe? Coefficient of x and y is similar in both the equations. Only constant is different. So such kind of lines are called parallel lines. So we have to find out distance between parallel lines is formula mod c1 minus c2 by under root of a square plus b square. So distance between parallel lines is mod c1 minus c2, difference of constants by under root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. So this is the first basic concept of the first question. We move to the question. Reduce, first question. Reduce the equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0 into first bit, slope intercept form, the second one, intercept form, slope intercept form, and second one is what? Intercept form. So normal straight line will be given. We have to convert them into 2 ways. So first what you do, take the given line. Given equation. What is given equation? 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. So first we have to convert into slope intercept form. First bit is what? Slope intercept form. Before going to that, we have to get an idea what is slope intercept form. It must be in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. Now, 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. So in this, send 3y to the right side. So left out what is there? 4x plus 12. We want only y. So y is equals to 4x by 3 plus 12 by 3. So y is equals to 4 by 3 into x plus 4. So we can say that is in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So better write down what is m here, 4 by 3, and what is c here, 4. What is c here, 4. So like this we have to find. The same question, second one, intercept form. So here also, second bit, given equation you take. What is given equation? 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. So we want to convert into intercept form. What is intercept form? In brackets, write down the general form. That is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. In intercept form, constant compulsory is equals to 1. So here what you do in the given equation, take the constant to the right side. That is minus 12. Now divide both sides by whatever the constant is there, that. What is the constant? Minus 12. So 4x by minus 12 minus 3y by minus 12 is equal to minus 12 by minus 12. So x coefficient, nothing means 1. So minus 12 by 4 minus y by minus 12 by 3 is equal to minus 12 by minus 12. Cancellate the terms which are getting cancelled. Here 4 1s are 4 3s are x by minus 3. Here 3 1s are 3 4s are minus minus cancel. So plus y by 4 is equal to 12 and 12 cancel is equal to 1. So shall I say is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Therefore, what is a? Minus 3. And what is b? 4. So any kind of question is given based on slope intercept form and intercept form. This is the procedure to do. Let's go through that. Next question. Transform the equation. Transform the equation. X plus y plus minus 2. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 into normal form. Into normal form. Solution, take the given equation. Given equation. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So here what you do? Send the constant to the right side. So immediately after sending the constant to the right side, it must be positive. If not, we have to make it positive. Then after that step, divide both sides by under root of a square plus b square. A means x coefficient, b means y coefficient. That is root 2. So the equation becomes x by root 2 plus y by root 2 is equals to 2 by root 2. So write this as 1 by root 2 into x plus 1 by root 2 into y is equals to, here 2 we can write root 2 into root 2, 1 root 2 get cancelled. Now, E is in the form of, what is normal form? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P. So we'll compare. Cos alpha is equals to 1 by root 2 and sin alpha also 1 by root 2. So automatically alpha we can write cosine sin which angle are 1 by root 2? 45 degrees, or you can write 5 by 4. And constant P is equals to what we have? Root 2. So like this we have to convert the normal form. Next, distance between the parallel lines. Distance between the parallel lines. Three x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 6x plus 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. So here what is he asking? We have to find out distance between parallel lines. Clearly mentioned the given lines are parallel. If not, we have to make it parallel, then we have to find out the distance. The solution, given lines 3x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Take it as equation 1. And 6x plus 8y minus 1 is equal to 0. Take it as equation 2. First check. By seeing they are not parallel. But if you observe, multiply equation 1 with number 2. So what do we get? 6x plus 8y minus 6 is equal to 0. Take it as equation 3. Now we can say equation 2 and equation 3 are parallel. Parallel. Therefore, distance formula, distance between 2 and 3. Parallel lines, what is the formula? Mod C1 minus C2 by under root of A square plus B square. So here C1 value is what? In equation 2, minus 1. Minus C2 value in equation 3, it is minus 6. Both under mod by under root of coefficient of x is A and coefficient of y is B. So modulus of minus 1 plus 6 by under root of 36 plus 64. So modulus of 6 minus 1 is 5. By under root of 36 plus 64 is 100. So 5 by 100 root of 100 is 10. 5 1 the 5 2 the. So what are we getting? 1 by 2. So distance between the given parallel lines, how much it is? 1 by 2. Next. Find the equation of straight line. Find the equation of straight line. Passing through the point. Passing through the point 5, 4 and parallel to the line and parallel to the line two x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So one equation of straight line is given. He is asking the same parallel line of the other equation which passes through 5, 4. Solution. Given line. What is given line? 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So first we will write the parallel line of it. Its parallel line. How its parallel line? X and y as it is. Only instead of 7 we have to take k. Take it as equation 1. Now this parallel line passes through 5, 4. Given that equation 1 passes through 5, 4. So substitute 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus k is equals to 0. 10 plus 12 plus k is equals to 0. K plus 22 is equals to 0. K is equals to minus 22. Now substitute k value in equation 1. Therefore, 1 implies, what is 1? 2x plus 3y. K means what? Minus 22 is equals to 0. So observe this equation with the given equation. The given equation was 2x plus 3y plus 7. Now the equation which we got, 2x plus 3y minus 22, means the coefficients are same, only constant is differ. That is why we call it as parallel line. Next, find the equation of straight line. Find the equation of straight line. perpendicular to the line, 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0, and passing through the point 4, 3, and passing through the point 4, 3. Same line is given. We want to find out the perpendicular of it. Given line. What is given line? 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. Write its perpendicular line. Its perpendicular line. Interchange the coefficients. So like 3x, 5y. And put opposite sign. If it is minus, take plus. Constant k is equals to 0. Take it as equation 1. But what is given? Given that equation 1 passes through 4, 3. Passes through the point 4, 3. So substitute 3 into 4 plus 5 into 3 plus k is equals to 0. So 12 plus 15 plus k is equals to 0. 12 plus 15, 27 plus k is equals to 0. Therefore, k is equals to minus 27. Where to substitute this value? Equation 1. Substitute k in equation 1. 1 implies 3x plus 5y minus 27 is equals to 0 is the required perpendicular line. Is the required perpendicular line. Next question. Continuation. Find the point on the curve. Continuation of the next question. Find the foot of the perpendicular Find the foot of the perpendicular from -1, 3 to the straight line, -1, 3 to the straight line, 5x minus y minus 18 is equals to 0. 5x minus y minus 18 is equals to 0. This is also most important question. Point is given, straight line is given. He is asking the foot of the perpendicular from point to the line. Suppose the given straight line is this and the point is like this. This foot of the perpendicular he is asking. This is passes through -1, 3. If you take foot of the perpendicular, foot is h, k. What is that value he is asking? So first solution, given line. For VSQs, you need not mention, draw the diagram. Directly you can go with the procedure. Given line. What is given line? 5x minus y minus 18 is equals to 0. Given point. What is given point? -1, 3. Now, foot of the perpendicular, we have a formula. So what you have to mention? Let h, k be the foot of the perpendicular from where to where? Foot of the perpendicular from -1, 3 to the given line. What is that given line? 5x to the line 5x minus y minus 18 is equals to 0. What is foot of the perpendicular formula? H minus x1 by a. Foot of the perpendicular formula is what? H minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square, minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So here x1, y1 is the given point -1, 3 and a, b, c are from the given line. We will be getting 5, -1 and -8. With the help of this, we have to find out h and k values. Now substitute h minus x1. So means h minus of -1 by a means 5 is equal to k minus y1 is 3 by what is y value here in the equation? -1 is equal to minus of ax1 5 into -1 plus by1 3 into -1, or otherwise here you can write b value is what? -1 into 3 and -18 by a square plus b square, 5 square plus -1 square. Now simplify, which implies h plus 1 by 5 is equal to k minus 3 by -1 is equal to minus of -5 -3 -18 by 5 square is 25 plus -1 whole square is 1. H plus 1 by 5 is equal to k minus 3 by -1 is equal to minus of -26 by 26. 26 and 26 getting cancelled. So here what left? H plus 1 by 5 is equal to k minus 3 by -1 is equal to minus into minus plus 1. We'll equate these two and we'll equate these two. So h plus 1 by 5 is equal to 1. K minus 3 by -1 is equal to 1. Cross multiply. H plus 1 is equal to 5. H is equal to 4. And here k minus 3 is equal to -1. K is equal to -1 plus 3. K is equal to 2. Therefore, h comma k value, how much we got? 4, 2. 4, 2. So like how we have to find out the foot of the perpendicular. Next. Another important question. If the product of intercept made by the straight line x tan alpha plus y secant alpha is equals to 1. X tan alpha plus y secant alpha is equals to 1. On the coordinate axis, is equal to sin theta, is equal to sin alpha. Then find alpha. Is equal to sin alpha, then find alpha. One equation is given asking the product of intercepts. So the hint is given intercept. So first what we do? Convert the equation into intercept form. Solution. Given straight line. What is given straight line? X tan alpha plus y secant alpha is equals to 1. Right side is equal to 1 is perfect form, but x coefficient tan alpha is there. We can write it as by cot alpha plus y into secant alpha, we can write it as cos alpha is equals to 1. Is in the form of intercept form. What it is? X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Therefore, what is a? Cot alpha, and what is b? Cos alpha. Now, go to the question. What is given condition? The product of intercepts is sin alpha. So, given that product of intercepts is equals to how much is given? Sin alpha. Product intercept means a and b. Product means a into b is equals to sin alpha. What is a? A is equals to cot alpha, and b, what is b? Cos alpha is equals to sin alpha. Simplify. Cot alpha can be written as cos alpha by sin alpha into cos alpha is equal to sin alpha. Cross multiply. Cos square alpha is equals to sin square alpha, or we can write cos alpha is equals to sin alpha. Here two concepts are there. When cos alpha and sin alpha are given, when alpha is equal to 45 degrees. If not, sin alpha we can write cos 90 minus alpha. So there alpha, both cos get cancelled and directly you can simplify. So here directly alpha is equals to, we can write what? 45 degrees. Both the ways you can do. Any of the thing is correct only. Next question. This is also important question. Find the equation of straight line. Find the equation of straight line passes through a t1 square comma 2a t1 and a t2 square comma 2a t2. So here, what do we observe? Two different points are given, asking equation of straight line. Simple formula, but calculation is little bit different here. Solution, given point. Take first point is A, that is A T1 square comma 2A T1. And second point is B, A T2 square comma 2A T2. Now, what we want to do? Equation of straight line. Equation of straight line passes through A and B. So what is 2-point form? Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So x1, y1 is first A point and x2, y2 is B point. Substitute y minus y1 2a t1 is equals to y2 minus y1 2a t2 minus 2a t1 by x2 minus x1 a t2 square minus a t1 square into x minus x1 a t1 square. So y minus 2a t1 is equals to any common in the numerator, 2a common. We can write t2 minus t1 by denominator a common. So it is t2 square minus t1 square into x minus a t1 square as it is. So here a and a cancel. Now simplify further. Y minus 2a t1 is equals to 2 into t2 minus t1 by denominator in the form of a square minus b square. We can write a plus b into a minus b and into x minus a t1 square as it is. T2 minus t1, both numerator and denominator cancel. Cross multiply. When you are cross multiplying, individually multiply. Y into t2 plus t1 minus 2a t1 into t2 plus t1 is equal to right side. What is there? 2 into x minus a t1 square. So y into t2 plus t1 minus multiply 2a t1 t2 minus 2a t1 square is equal to open up 2x minus 2a t1 square. Minus 2a t1 square minus 2a t1 square cancel. So take the left side term to the right side. So what do you get? 2x minus y into t2 plus t1 plus 2a t1 t2 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of straight line. Something into x, something into y and constant. So like how we have to solve the question. So these are the most important questions. Explain the chapter straight line. Just practice these questions for your further upcoming exam. Thank you and all the best to all.